end users, deployment, project. These are all the terminologies from a industry. We should talk about that, right? Now, all these technologies, you have to at least build minimum 10 projects, maybe maximum 10, 20 also fine, 10 projects. Your GitHub has to speak, GitHub pages, GitLab, or how many people have an account in Stack Overflow? Any one person Stack Overflow? No account. What is Stack Overflow, madam? Don't have. What is Stack Overflow? Huh? Have you guys at least heard how many people heard about Stack Overflow? Can you raise your hands? Stack Overflow. Only one person. So guys, please try to understand. We will give you a lot more, information here, and don't ever try to just focus on your academics, and more than that, the industry is expecting. And don't ever try to spend more hours. 1 hour of your time, if you provide to us, we will try to give you one job. Can't you spend 1 hour per day? You spend 1 hour and you will get a job. That too, good job, not in a non-technical jobs, or maybe finally if you are not getting any job, we'll try to go in a non-technical side or different kind of businesses that will try to do it. Fine. So these are the technologies. This is what modern full stack is expecting. And what is AI powered? Next few minutes I'll try to talk about what is AI powered development. See, AI is helping us to create code, writing code. You need not to write any single line of code. 90% are, if you are smart kid, 98% also that you can copy from any of the AI tools. Even I build a number of applications in recent days, and almost 50% of resources that we cut down. And we have not terminated layoff, or we have moved them to different fields, and we started completing our projects with a less number of resources by making use of Copilot. What is that? Copilot. And I also purchased the paid subscription of Lovable and Replit, and I'm using to build a MERN stack applications. I'm just making use of Lovable and Replit, which can build 80% of the code from system design to the database schema. We are saving a lot of time. Time also, even money. Instead of, if you hire 10 members, think about it, on average salary for each resource, 30,000 rupees. 10 into 3, 30. 3 lakhs that we have to pay for month. But if same, maybe 2,500 or 3,000 rupees, if you pay for Lovable and Replit, they will give 1 month subscription. And 2 members is enough. That too, senior most people, 50 or 60,000, 1,20,000 plus 3,000 rupees, 1,23,000 enough. Out of 3 lakhs, 1,23,000, how much we are saving? But we will try to build a resource for a companies. We will try to build more than 6 lakhs. See, what is the numbers? All software companies are paying with the numbers. That is the reason the company owners are becoming crorepati's, but employees are becoming bhikshadhipatis. Right? Every month, EMI. It's a trap. EMI is a trap. Right? So, now here AI is helping us to write a code, and it will also help us to debug. What do you mean by debugging? Troubleshooting, identifying the uncertainty of a program. That is nothing but errors, error handling, uncertainty, bugs. That is, if you just give it to AI, there are 2 types of compilation, and runtime compilation versus compile time, runtime. Compile time, early if you identify an issue, then you have an option to solve as soon as possible. Now I'll tell you guys, after your MCA, the first pressure, your parents, somehow they will try to tolerate your nonsense, and they will give you some money until you get a job. But maybe if your friends get a job, then the pressure, right? Then your parent will say that your friend got a job, why don't you? What are you doing? Then the pressure starts from your parents. But more than a parent, the neighbors are going to make a lot of nonsense, right? Maybe after 2 years or 3 years, marriage. Again, that is also biggest problem. The girls are getting more packages than guys. That is one more problem nowadays. The girls are even more smart. If the guy is earning 1 lakh, no, I think 2 lakhs is best. Okay. If he is earning 2, 3, okay, good. Whether he has a car, yes, he has a car, but what kind of car it is? It's a BMW. Whether he has a plot, Yes, flat is there. Okay, somehow EMI. But where is the flat? Is Soba? Prestige? At least whether he will be able to take us into, Mars. That kind of expectations, right? Mars, not even India, in the Earth, Mars. Surprises. We have to surprise the girls, boss. At least chocolate. Boss, expectations are more. You believe or not. See, girls' life somehow is okay, but guys' life is not that much easy. I'm not debating here. Even girls, at least some certain point of time, if girls are giving up, hey boss, I'm not able to, I can't do it. Yes, fine. If he is a good guy, he will try to, take care about you and your complete family. But if he is a nonsense fellow, then recent days, what happened? Dr. Kritika Reddy's matter. Have you heard about Dr. Kritika Reddy? Psycho doctor has killed her, his wife. And she's so beautiful, and she is a daughter of my landlord. And now Marthalli branch, owner daughter. She is a very brilliant woman, and she has a lot of intention, and she has a lot of plans to serve poor people. But unfortunately, she has no more today. Why? That's why for girls also I'm telling you, start earning and don't ever try to beg for your basic needs. And you never know what kind of cruel people are there, and they will try to speak nicely, but behind the scenes, when before marriage, and they will try to say you are everything. After marriage, you are nothing. This kind of problem. But AI is there. You can even talk to AI. Hey Siri, I love you. Yes, Siri can love you back. Say yes or no? Even many times I told in front of my wife, hey Siri, I love you. Then my wife started copying, okay, I should also love him back. Then she will also keep on saying, hey sir, love you. Give and take policy. Now it is, even marriage is also become commercial now. What you give, you will get it. Luckily we are not in commercial marriage, and we are lucky to have such kind of better wife, and they are not expecting anything, they are giving a lot of love. That is where we were capable enough to build this many companies, this much of hard work. 4 o'clock if we are coming out, or if you wanted to go far away, 200 kilometers, 300 kilometers, if we say that 4 o'clock we are planning to start our journey, by 3 o'clock they will wake up, and 4 o'clock the carrier and everything is ready. We won't even eat outside. Why? Because outside food is completely polluted. We won't even get any energy. We'll feel that, okay, our stomach is filled, but we won't even produce that energy. Right? And that's fine. Even we'll definitely give an opportunity for you people to work with us for a day. At least work with the CEOs or CTOs at least one day. You will get to know what kind of routine that they used to follow. Why they are getting, good packages and good salaries, and why can't you? And you have to change your lifestyle. If you change your lifestyle, you will also become at least 5 years if you work hard, 6 years in your bank, you can even maintain at least 1 crore. If you work hard for 5 years, 1 crore, it is easy. In nowadays, if 10 years if you work, maybe earning 1 crore is a little bit tough. Now opportunities are more, right? So that is where technology is useful. Generating UI, generative AI is also there. Recently, yesterday I just saw one video, ambulance is going, the door opens, the dead body, I don't know whether dead body, whether, one guy came outside from an ambulance is why it is going, but the patient is also going. Now you can't even imagine whether it is created by a AI or a human. What poor people will think? There's some poor people, they copied that video. Yes, this is going to happen only in India. What is that? Gugu AI video na, reality video na, nobody is understanding. Complain. We can easily complain, right? This is not good. Then what is good? Yeah, come and tell me. Nonsense it is, right? And we are all working for others to impress others. We are not working very hard for us. We are working hard to impress others. Right, na madam? What is your percentage? Sir, 98%, sir. And then 98%, if I ask them, can you please write a Fibonacci series? Sir, can you give me ChatGPT, sir? Okay. Then go and try to work in ChatGPT only. Boss, we don't want to in that particular situation. Please, if you feel, you guys are laughing, right? Are you guys feeling bored? You are generating energy, but instantly you are getting energy or not when you people, and that is fake smell. What kind of knowledge that we have to adopt? Come back. APIs, testing documentation, AI for backend. Yes. When we are in happy mode, we will not transform. Yes, we will be in the same mode. We have to maintain the same mode throughout the day. That is the reason screenplay. Yes, jokes are not part of, it should be a part of our journey. Then we have to change the screen. Make sense? Sir, myself, you believe or not, in this auditorium, and I have cracked a lot of jokes against, HODs. And earlier there was a director. And the moment when he started talking, and there will be, as per the schedule, 15 minutes. But he will try to continue 150 minutes. 150 minutes, oh my God. That too, the conversation which is not related to the student topic, I don't know where, he will keep going. If I am going like that, please stop me. If anyone, sir, nonsense you are talking, please try to come to the sense. Yes, I will come. Because without a proper guru, guidance is very, very, very much needed. That to guru, industry experts. We know we are working on industry. We know what kind of expectations are there. 21 days, if you guys are, connecting with us for next 21 days, no matter whatever the skill set that you have, with the help of that skill set and with little, additional knowledge, you will be able to crack an interviews in the upcoming 2026, I'm sure. Even if you guys are in first year, if you are in second year, no matter. We need 21 days of your time. Within 21 days, you will be able to crack interviews, any kind of interviews. That we will try to help you. That will also request you people, how many people are interested, we'll let you know. 1 hour of time is enough. Per day, 1 hour, 21 hours of your time is required for us to convert you people into a normal student to extraordinary student. Fine. Now AI can be used in backend for building Node.js, Express.js, Django, Spring Boot, and database integrations as well. And also AI for deployment as well. Deployment, we can create a continuous CI/CD pipelines. What is deployment? In the olden days, when we start writing a code, it might take little bit extra time for us to push into the live servers, wherein the stakeholders are going to watch that. Now everything is pipeline. However, now generally in IT, all these DevOps engineers, we will try to call them as a plumber. What is plumber's work? Pipeline. These DevOps engineers will also do the same way. Plumbing work. Somewhere the groundwater has to go to the septic tank, or which tank it is? Overhead tank. From there again it has to come to your toilet. Taps. Whether it is in a toilet or wherever it is, that is a pipeline. Here also, if the front-end engineers or back-end engineers or DB database engineers, if they started building, we have to arrange a pipeline. That to release pipeline versus build pipeline. Why? Because sometimes if the people are keep pushing the new code, if the code has any bugs, then the build is going to fail. Build errors. That is where we have to build. They will try to set up the both pipelines, release versus build pipelines. Right? So, in that also, AI is going to help us to set up the release pipelines as well as build pipelines. Okay? Next, Docker files. We can also create our own environment by using Docker files. We can set up some sort of clusters, virtual machines, and also cloud configurations. To set up a cloud configurations, now you have your own laptop. If you want to upgrade any of hardware component, you have to definitely reach out to any of the hardware shop, and physically they have to remove and they have to configure. But when it comes to the virtual machines, instantly we'll be able to keep changing the configurations. 16 GB RAM can be turned into 32 GB, 64. We can instantly change according to the number of users and the load balancers, and many more techniques are there. That all the configurations that we can. IAM is there, Identity Access Management, and we will be able to handle the roles as well. Now, what is my role in my company as a CEO? And my roles are different than Pune, right? The one security, secretary, there is a huge differences, right? Roles is all about, as per the company needs, each one of the resources is going to do some certain tasks. According to the task, the role can be created. Now HOD, hierarchy is there, right? For every department there is HOD. Then under the HOD, there are few professors. And at each professor, there will be a class in charge, something XYZ. Like that, there are a lot of options out there.